How to add temperature in Instagram story. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you do that, click to add a story. Select a picture for your story. Once you are on this page right here, click on the stickers icon from the menu list at the top right. After that, search for temperature. Now, as soon as you do that, you will get a bunch of options. Feel free to choose the one you like. After that, you can edit it however you want. And also, you can continue to edit your story just like you usually do. Once you're done, go ahead and share your story. So that was it for this video. That's how to add temperature in Instagram story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.